I did.
Did he say yes or no?
I don't remember.
On or off the record? He's going up and we're going.
That is sketchy. Coming back though, we'll go higher up. Going this way. Going that way, I think. It looks crazy coming back this way because you guys are backlit. And
Let's go. Let's come back this way, but start down there.
Frontlit, yeah.
These guys are battling so much gravity right now. It is amazing that they're even on the track. They just rode the berm so far and then ran out of juice, ran out of speed, ran out of steez, and came way far down on the apron. Looked kind of rough, but I'm sure it was fun. Gosh, there was such a bank here at Atlanta Motor Speedway, and they were carving it. That is so steep. Dude, me and Nick were like, oh my, I thought we were gonna, dude, I'm shaking. That was rad. That was rad. We're gonna try and do it one more time.
It was so sick.
That was steep.
It was so gnarly. Like, I thought that I was eating coming off the bottom of it.
It was just sucking me down.
Yeah.
Quicksand. Just, no.
Yeah, it kept like it kept like lowering us, and then like it started to curve more, and you're at like this weird angle.
You have to stay.
I was full throttle the whole time.
Yeah. I was just.
Yeah, the other way though was really cool feeling.
I couldn't even walk up that, and they're crazy karting across it. Give Ryan's cart.
Oh, right.
Yeah!
You got more cards.
Let's go, run it back.
Backups on backups on backups.
So I'm gonna be on the peach. My spot is the peach.
Wait, now tell me in the sunlight.
I'm gonna stand in the peach, and you guys are just gonna rip right past me. What?
Yeah. sounded like a demand.
I mean,
from
I'll still
Charlie.
do it. Yeah, they're the boss. I'm just here to please. I think we may finally be getting kicked off the track.
Time to leave. Yeah.
Dude, Steely, everybody.
That was such a epic shot right there.
I didn't get to ride a kart on the NASCAR track.
Kiss the track.
I did.
Bank though, let me tell you guys, the most gnar of the gnar with the biggest G in front of gnarly. That
of
bank,
Atlanta.
the
Open
new
for
bank, I
business.
think they said it's like 28 degrees now. Trying to go left, nose down, can't do it. But if you go backwards, nose of the cart towards the bank, it just pulls you up, obviously with the powerful stage 5s, but
Charlie to the rescue! Where we going? Hold it! Hold it! Naughty card, sneak peek, oh my god! Get the finish line, cross it!
See ya.